Sometimes journeys come with a limited number of days. And as much as the heart wants to see everything, time quietly decides otherwise. Prince Edward Island is one of those places we knew we couldn't fully explore this time, but not without feeling its pull. We chose not to rush it, not to turn it into just another checkbox on our list. Some places deserve more than a hurried visit. They deserve time, presence, and the space to truly experience them. Maybe that's what makes it special. It gives us a reason to come back, to do it right, and to complete what we couldn't this time around. Hello everyone, today is day 5 of our Canadian Maritimes road trip. We've just rolled off the Northumberland Ferries at the Wood Island's Ferry terminal, and almost immediately, everything feels quieter. Back in Caribou, there was that heavy sense of movement, cars lining up, engines running, people coming and going. But here, as we begin driving towards Charlottetown, it's like the volume of the world has been turned down a notch. Driving in PI is truly something special. The road stretches out ahead of us, simple and open. No rush, no pressure, just a smooth ribbon cutting through wide fields of that famous red PI soil. Farmhouses sit back from the road, quiet and unbothered. I realized pretty quickly, we aren't really driving in the usual sense. We're just moving with it. There's barely any traffic, and no one seems in a hurry to get anywhere. Somewhere along the way, I stop checking the time. The landscape gently shifts. Fields, patches of trees, the occasional roadside stand, all blending into this calm, steady rhythm. As we get closer to Charlottetown, things begin to change, but only slightly. A few more cars, more houses, a hint of city life easing in. Nothing abrupt, just a gradual return to motion. And then it hits me. I've gone from the ferry terminal to the capital city without any stress at all. No chaos, no noise. Just a quiet, grounding drive that feels less like a commute and more like an introduction to one of PI's best attractions, the island itself. So, for now, let's just enjoy the drive to Charlottetown.
Keep left on Kinross Road. Then stay to the right to Route 1 West, toward Charlottetown. Stay to the right to Route 1 West, toward Charlottetown. Continue straight for 15 minutes to Route 1 West, toward Charlottetown. the roundabout, take the second exit on Route 1 West, toward Charlottetown. In 1 kilometer, use either lane and at the roundabout, take the first exit. In 300 meters, use either lane, then at the roundabout, take the first exit. At the roundabout, take the first exit on Route 1 West, toward Charlottetown. In 3.6 kilometers, turn left on Prince Street.